Hello and welcome back to the No Stress Trader platform. Most people get this wrong and it costs them a lot of money. I'm going to teach you. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you the best strategy settings you should use on our AI robots. So let's head on to the screen, and right here we have the settings and the AI robots all in place. Now, first thing you will definitely need to do is to select the market you want your robot to actually trade on, right? Once that's done, that's perfect. The second thing you should do strategy. Choose a strategy that works better for you. You can test all the 6 strategies. All the strategies are the AI robots, okay? So I highly recommend, if you want consistency in trading and in profit, use robot 3, okay? Now, after that has been done, now you come over here, and for the mode, you're going to select accurate. So these are the best settings I'm giving you right here. You come down here, and for the initial amount, I would recommend you use between 0.04 to 0.5. That's 0.4 lot and half a lot. That's the best settings I can recommend for you. For bigger account of it. Okay, that's the best settings I can recommend for you. For smaller accounts like, let's say between $50 and $100 account, you can use this setting and your account is very, very safe. So you're going to take 0.4 lot and you're going to target. If your account is $100, $5 is going to be the best. That's 5% growth of that account every time you want to activate the bot. Now, for your stop loss, just come over here, click on the settings, and remember to choose use number of losses in a sequence. Then you close on the instruments here, change it and leave it at 10. That's to say you're risking $17 in $100. Okay, which is even too huge, but it's fine because this is the best settings I'm giving you. If you are putting the robot and telling it to trade for you, and you tell it that if you're making 10 losses in a sequence, the robot should stop trading. It's very understandable, okay? The robot is going to do exactly as you have commanded. So the next thing you have to do is come down here to the risk management plan and select conservative. So this for smaller account between $50 to $100 account, or let's say between $10. Let's say between $10 to $100, because some people are going to have smaller account, and you can definitely grow your small account with our robot AI Trader 3. Just make sure you put the settings I'm giving you right here, and you can fine-tune these settings by updating them. You can change figures, change the profit target if the account is smaller. Change the stop loss if your account is smaller. The lot size initial amount, you can change it if the account is very small. And that's all for the strategy for smaller accounts. Bigger accounts, let's say between $300 and $500, you can use lot size 1, and you can target, if your account is $200, you can target $15 to be 3% of it. And if you tell the robot that if it trades 10 times in a rule, in a sequence, and losses for 10 trades, it should stop trading. You're going to be risking $42.62 of your account. So play along here, okay? Every other thing above here, you shouldn't change apart from the market. You can change the market and trade whichever market that gives you the favorable condition, okay? We can do that, and for the strategy, use robot AI Trader 3. For the trading board, use accurate. For risk management, use conservative. And here you can play along with respect to account size. But remember not to risk too much of your account, okay? Don't over-optimize. Stick to proven setups. You're going to do this until you have that setup that's going to work for you, and stick to it. And remember that consistency equals to quick profit. Consistency equals to quick profit. In the next slide, in the next series, we're going to talk about growing your small account. I'm going to give you more strategies and more tips on how to grow your small account. If you did find this video helpful, please smash the subscribe button like and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next series, where we're going to be discussing how to grow a small account consistently. Thank you, and see you shortly.